So let's have a look at page 4 then, which is just called the Introduction to Matter. And we say that there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. That's technically not right. Anyone give me a... Plasma. Yeah, we sort of, we pretend that plasma doesn't exist. And by and large, you know, in our common everyday experiences, we don't interact with plasma. So that's a reasonable thing to just sort of leave out. Hopefully you're all pretty familiar with solids, liquids and gases. But something that you probably haven't really thought deeply about is, well, how do we move between these? How do we go from a solid to a liquid? What do we need to do? Yeah, look, just call out. Add energy. And if I want to go from a liquid to a gas, what do I need to do? Add energy again, yeah. So really, what I'm doing across here, if I'm travelling in this direction from solid towards gas, I'm adding energy. What about if I'm heading in the other direction? What if I'm going from a gas to a liquid?
Decrease energy.
I have to decrease the energy. How can I decrease energy? Actually, I won't ask what energy is because even Richard Feynman doesn't know. How do I decrease energy? Cooling. Okay, so my cooling is a decrease in energy. So what would that mean then for my adding energy? Heating. If I heat something, I'm adding energy to it. And if I cool something, then the particles have less energy. Yeah? And water is a really good example when we're thinking about this because it exists in 3 phases naturally on Earth, and so it allows us to see that. What do we call this process of moving from a solid to a liquid? Melting, yeah. And what about going from a liquid to a gas? And from a gas to a liquid? Yeah, it's on there. Yep. You're all reading really well.
Great job, you can read.
Thank you, so can me.
And what about from a liquid to a solid?
I'd say solidification.
Awesome.
Top of your head.
Yep. I'm just that smart.
How about some things, some substances skip the liquid phase?
Sublimation.
Sublimation. If I can go straight from a solid to a gas, then that would be sublimation.
What's an example of that, sir?
Isn't it?
Yeah. Let's have a look at an example of sublimation. So I'll just do that in front of you to start with, and then you can all have some. What do you think this is? Dry ice. What's dry ice made of?
Yeah, I thought it was. Is it nitrogen?
It's not nitrogen.
One of the elements of the periodic table.
No, it's not an element.
Combination compound.
It's a compound.
Is it a gen? Like at the end of the word it says gen.
No, it doesn't end in gen.
Um,
It ends in "ide."
oh, that's
What'd you say? Not. It's a dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
No.
All right, so
so
I'm just going to stop this